Hi everyone, on this quick video I'm going to show you how to get started using the Chrome debugger with our code. So this is the Day 6 Coin app that we have. I have a problem that when the game is running everything works fine, but when it runs out of time you can see I can still move the coin around and score. Not intended. So let's try to figure this out using the debugger. You can open this up by, I want to put a breakpoint right here on this if game is over line. So I'm going to open up the developer tools by going up to more tools, developer tools. This opens on the right side. I like to put it down on the bottom. Just that's my preference. And I'm going to go over to sources. And I'm going to find our file. So there's a lot of files here to look for to find this script that we're working on. So I'm going to make this easier by going over and opening a new window instead. Let me close this one up. Okay, I'm going to open up developer tools. And there we go. Look at that. Script.js is right here. The reason we had so many files over here is because we're running the editor and our code all on the same page. So this makes it a little simpler. I think our issue is around this handle collision. So I'm going to put a breakpoint right here by just clicking down. You can see it turns blue there. And there's my breakpoint. So let's try to touch the coin. Now the game's over. Yes, still hitting that breakpoint. Okay, so I'm going to open up under scope script, and is game over equals true? This is what I'm expecting. Let's hover over this actual variable here though. It says it's undefined. Looks like I've got two variables when I there game is over undefined and is game over. It looks like I used the wrong variable here. So we can change that code and check it out. Now, there's another way we can also do this instead of saying the debugger here. Well, let me show you one other thing. If we have it set, I can also resume my script and keep going. Or I can deactivate the breakpoints for now because I don't want it to stop. All right, sorry, I have to resume it, and now it won't stop either. Or I can always have my breakpoints activated. But I'm going to remove this and go back to our code. And here's the other way you can open up that debugger. Just the command debugger will open it up for us. So let me reload this. And you can see it just stopped right on the debug line. And once again, undefined. So let's fix this. I'm going to go and grab the right variable. Put that in. Now let's test that out. Reload the page. Okay, I hit it. Stops the debugger. Is game over? False, just like expected. All right, now let's run down the clock. Now hit it. Is game over equals true? So now I'm going to step through and just make sure. I'm expecting when we hit if game is over, it's going to drop right past that. Perfect. That's exactly what I want.